Hello my dear friends, in this video we will discuss a relation called Maxwell relation. In this relation what we learn, that is the equation that relate the partial derivative. This is the equation of a relation of a partial derivative of a properties, which properties: pressure, specific volume, temperature and a specific entropy of a simple compressible system to each other are called Maxwell relations. So this is nothing, this is a relation between the relation of the partial derivatives among the properties pressure, specific volume, temperature and entropy of a simple compressible substance. So Maxwell relation equation, Maxwell relations are limited for the simple compressible substance. So we know that from the previous lectures, that we know that du, change in specific internal energy, that means du, what is that? Du is equal to tds. Yeah, you can write like also, no problem, right? As also like that. That means tds is equal to du plus pdv, right? So what is, if you write what is du, du is nothing, it is your tds minus pdv, no problem. This is your specific internal specific entropy, right? Number first. What is the second tds question? tds is equal to dh minus vdp, no problem. So what is your dh? dh is what? tds minus plus vdp, right? Okay. And another function is called Hellman's function. Hellman's function, what is that? A is equal to u minus ts. So if you differentiate it, dA is equal to du minus t ds minus s dt, right? So du minus tds is what? du minus tds is equal to minus vdp pdv. So what is, so another relation is what? This dA is what? This dA is what? Minus p dv minus s dt. This is first, second and third. And other function is called Gibbs function. Gibbs function. And what is that? Small g is the Gibbs function, is h minus ts. So if you differentiate it, dz is equal to dh minus t ds minus s dt. So what is dh minus, if you write like that, dh minus tds is equal to vdp, right? So what is that? If you write in vdp, so what is your next? So what is your dz? dz is nothing, it is your vdp minus sdt. So you have a four equation. Number first, second, third and fourth. So you have a 4 relation, right? And if we examine carefully that these relations, they are of the form of, these all relation, they are of the form of like that, dz is equal to m dx plus n dy, right? Where what is, where dm by dy at x constant is equal to dn by dx at y constant, right? So if you examine carefully, this is like in this form. So according to first equation, since u h a and g are the properties and thus have exact differential, so this have exact differential, apply this equation to this. So we can write like that, from first equation we can write like that, dt dou t over dou v at constant specific entropy is equal to minus dou p over dou s at specific volume, constant specific volume. Number second equation, dou t over dou p at constant entropy is equal to dou v over dou s at constant pressure. What is number third? Number third is that minus dou p over dou t at constant volume is equal to minus dou s over dou v at constant temperature. Neglect minus, no problem. And number fourth is what? Dou v over dou t at constant pressure is equal to minus dou s over dou p at constant temperature. So these all are the Maxwell's relation. So these all are the Maxwell relation. Maxwell relation, right? They are extremely valuable. These are very important in the thermodynamics because they provide a means of determining the change in entropy which cannot be measured directly by simply measuring the change in the property pressure, temperature and volume. If we want to change in entropy, if you want to change in entropy which is not directly measurable, because entropy is always increase, so it cannot be measured directly. So from these Maxwell relation we can easily measure the change in entropy with the help of change in volume, pressure, temperature and volume. Also note that the Maxwell relation gives limited to simple compressible system. So this is limited for simple compressible substance, right? However, other similar relation can be written just as easily of a non-simple system, such as these involve electrical, magnetic and other effect, right? We assume this is negligible. So how can you remember all these relations? Very important. How can you remember? So forget all the thing you forget, just remember like that. See, So good first letter G, professor first letter P, have first letter H, study first letter S, under first letter U, very first letter F, V fine first letter F, and T first letter what? First letter T. And these all are a property. That means what is that? G, P, H, S, U, V, F, and T. These all are properties. So for that we can write like, we can make a rectangle. We can make a rectangle like that. We can make a rectangle. We make a rectangle like that. Put all this value G, good G, P, H, S, U, V, F, and T. Put all this value in this corner and side. Right. If you want first relation, first draw a horizontal line like that. Bottom to top. So bottom to top we write from bottom dv by dou t, and the constant is just corner opposite. Take a constant just corner opposite at constant s. Number first is equal to, what is right side? So draw bottom to top also a vertical line and put dou s by dou p, and always constant corner to opposite v. There is a first relation. So where both, whenever, so one point is note that whenever both S and P comes together, write minus on that side. So there is a S and T, so there is a minus. Put here minus sign. No problem. Now, any one of these, if you draw a line, if you second relation, so draw from T to P. So what is that? dt over dp, and from arrow we take constant dt over dt over dp, dt over dp, and from t constant s, like that. dv over dt, right? dv over dt and constant at arrow diagonal opposite. So if you take dt over dp, dt over dp, 1 minute, dt over dp, so put here negative, dt over dp, put negative sign, constant s, also draw a parallel line, same sense. So dv over ds, dv over ds at constant p, at constant p, see, at constant p. So dt over, so first dt over dp at constant s, dv over ds at constant p. Third is the relation is that, again we draw opposite sign, opposite, any one of these opposite. So if you draw another line like that, so dt over from tail to bottom to head dv, so dt over dv, so dv, sorry, dv, first line dv over dt, dv over dt at constant h. No, this is opposite line, this is in this manner. From here constant pressure, so this is constant pressure. So put a corner here, put a rectangle, simply put a rectangle, write from here G, corner P, H, corner S, U, corner V, F, corner T. Start any of this, start line anyone, like that. If you write like that, so what is number first, what is that, d t, that means number first, start from here to here, so d do t over do p from tail to diagonal opposite at constant s. Again you draw a parallel line here, do v over do s at opposite from this one p. This is first, no problem, match it, do t over do p, do t over do p at constant s, do p over, match it. Now if you take like that, draw a line like that, bottom to top, any one of this, no problem. So this is what, do v over do t at constant p, draw a line from bottom to top, do s over do p at constant t. This is equation number second. Number third, equation number third, draw any one line. So now we draw opposite, so do s over do v opposite t, draw also parallel line from opposite, do p over do t at constant v. This is equation number 4. Now again we plot like that, opposite, so do t over do v, do t over do v, do t over do v at constant s, draw a line like that. So what is the do p over do s, do p over do s and opposite of this at constant volume. This is equation number 5. And whenever there is a s and p, whenever there is a s and p, put negative where, s and p, here s and p together, entropy and pressure, no, here entropy and pressure, yes, put negative, here entropy and pressure, no, here entropy and pressure, yes, put negative. So match all this. So do t over, so do t over do p at constant pressure is equal to do v over do s at constant pressure, correct. Do v over dou T at constant pressure is equal to minus dou S over dou P at constant temperature. Correct. Dou S over dou V, dou S over dou V at a constant temperature is equal to dou P over dou T at constant volume. Correct. Right. Again, dou T over dou V at constant entropy is equal to minus dou P over dou S as constant volume. Okay, no problem. You repeat like that. You always remember like that. In any examination, you just ask which of the relations, that means which of the four relation is correct. There is indirectly there is a mismatch all these relation, and ask that which of this following is correct. Four options. These are four options, and only three options. Only one option is correct, and three option is just matching like that. That means here is pressure, here is the entropy, like that. So it will gives you lots of information. Remember thing is that if you draw a plot, number first, if you draw a plot 1, 2, 3, 4, if you're going to this in this manner, so dou 4 over dou 1, and opposite from which, just dou V over dou T, opposite from starting. So where are you starting? Dou 4 over dou 1, where are you starting? 4. So put a diagonal is constant 2. When we draw a line from bottom to top in this side, so also write bottom to top in this side. So where is dou 3 over dou 2, dou T, and 3 opposite 1. Draw a line here like that. So what is that? Dou 1, this is 1, dou 1 by dou 2. What is that? Opposite 3. Starting is you draw a line here parallel to this. So dou 4 over dou 3. Starting 4 to opposite 2, like that. Okay. So you always remember like that. No problem. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.